Hi friends, welcome back to channel again. We'll just do the analysis of the Nifty over here. For the last few days we are seeing this market is trying to just make a sharp base, right? The traders are very confusing at this moment because the market has not given any very strength move either of the sides, but it is just giving the traders at the dilemma. But for me, I am still bullish in the market. Reason is very clear, because the market is not trying to come down even below 50,700. This is the chart of the Nifty and the daily basis, right? Look at this zone, especially for a couple of days. It is trying to trade in this, right? For the last 3 days, this last 4 days has not made any like a significant move either of the side. But one thing is a very important over here. If you look at the daily chart here, so every day higher high, lower low pattern has already been made. That means still I am bullish in the market. That is what I am saying. It has not given any signal to go short. Look at here. This was the 3rd of June that we had the low of the 15,611. On the next day, we did not touch that low. Another day, we made the another fresh high. Still we were above this previous day low. This was the candle. Now yesterday what happened? The low was there day before yesterday, 15,678, and here we have not touched that low even today, I mean yesterday, right? And we also made the fresh high, that was the 15,778, that is above this. So each day we are making some sort of a little upside move. So looking at this, I would not say that today also for a short period of time I am a bearish in the market, especially in the Nifty, right? So how should we approach the Nifty today? Just to give you the example for this, right? In order to understand this, we'll go in the short period of time. That let us take it as a 15 minutes of chart, right? Look, this is the chart of the Nifty in the 15 minutes. And if you look at this, yesterday 18.8 was there, right? The sharp selling after opening up gap up, it is not able to sustain on the top, and it gave a very sharp selling. At the same time, it took the support elsewhere here, the low of previous, right? Exactly, but just above that, this was the low, whereas we have given this low. And from here, if you look at this Nifty is trying to make, okay, this trying to make the higher high pattern. I'll just show you. Okay, this could be one of the trend lines, I would say, for today. Okay, this will be trend line. But if you look at this, how this Nifty is trying to make here, right? So this was the swing here. Again higher high, again higher low, again higher high, lower low, again higher high, lower low. That means today if you're going to trade above this, that is the zone, I would say, if it is going to sustain above this even for 10 minutes, we are going to see a swing upside move, and little resistance which is here 15,780 around, like, and this is going to break out in a violent with what is this will happen, right? And this is what I am going to see today. So this is the Nifty chart where I am quite bullish in the Nifty, and this is the Nifty. And now let us understand the Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty is quite bearish for many of us, but I am still bullish here because it is going to give a very surprise move for all of us, right? And today, at any cost, if Bank Nifty is going to trade above this one, 35,000, remember this will be the zone, I am telling you, 35,350, above 350. If it sustains for 15 minutes, we are going to see a violent move even on the upside, right? Because there are the stocks like Axis Bank and the HDFC and the Kotak banks are almost ready to make a move on upper side, and SBI is going to rock today. That is what I am able to see. So today, if it is going to trade about this, just wait for the like a 15 minutes of chart. But here also you need not go for buy until it goes above this 35,350 with a 15 minutes of chart with a bullish candle. And what should be downside trading system here? 35,020. Below this, if it is going to sustain for 15 minutes, be sure that you're going to like a square up your position of long today, because here another support it will take. Let me just tell you guys, it will be taking here 34,950. This will be a zone where it will be taking a last support. So almost overall I am bullish in the market today or tomorrow. Only we have 2 days for this weekly expiry, so I'm sure either today or tomorrow it is going to make a big move, either of the